To install Blender 2.8 beta, you can go to this web address. For the Mac people, 2.8 beta, 64-bit, Windows, obviously the Windows 64-bit. All you have to do is click this link, then it will download on Mac and PC as zip file, and all we then have to do is unzip the file, and then creates a folder with all the required executables inside it. Give me 1 second. It's nearly done. Come on. There we are. On Mac, there's just actually one file. On Windows, you want to make sure you move the whole folder to somewhere secure. And then because of the recent security elements added to the Mac operating system, also here you just want to right click and open it for the first time. Okay, so when we open Blender for the first time, then here, let me set this to factory settings, and I just save this for the moment. This is not my original version. This is then what we will see. We want a few things to set up. We move the mouse here to, no, we just keep it this way. What we will do, however, is with the left mouse button, click with this, and then hold Shift, click the cube, hold Shift, click the light, then press X and select delete, and we're all good. Here we can select this for selection, and we have Eevee turned on, very good. Then we go to File, Save Startup File, and we're good. Now basically every time when we launch Blender, it will show you this layout, including the preferences. And that's it for installing Blender and configuring it.